Plant FAQs. Colocasia pink sapphire. Colocasia pink sapphire. Your guide to this stunning tropical foliage. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a huge houseplant enthusiast. Today, I want to delve into the captivating world of the Colocasia pink sapphire, a tropical gem that will add a touch of exotic flair to your indoor space. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this beauty, from its unique characteristics to the best care practices. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia pink sapphire? The Colocasia pink sapphire is a mesmerizing variety of elephant ear plant, known for its captivating foliage. Unlike its green counterparts, the pink sapphire boasts a stunning tricolor combination. The large, heart-shaped leaves showcase a vibrant blend of white, green, and rosy pink hues, creating a truly eye-catching display. Where does the Colocasia pink sapphire come from? The exact origin of the pink sapphire remains a bit of a mystery. However, considering its tropical nature, it's likely native to Southeast Asia or the Pacific Islands, where many Colocasia varieties thrive in warm, humid environments. How big does a Colocasia pink sapphire get? The pink sapphire can reach a mature height of around 1.5 meters, 5 feet, with a similar spread. However, its growth rate is moderate, so you can expect it to take a few years to achieve its full size. This makes it a great choice for those who don't have a ton of space but still want a statement plant. Pink sapphire versus other colocasias. What's the difference? The pink sapphire stands out from other colocasias with its unique color palette. Here's a quick comparison. Colocasia Black Magic. This variety boasts dramatic, deep black foliage with a metallic sheen. Colocasia Illustris. This one features large, green leaves with prominent white veins, creating a striking contrast. Colocasia Esculenta, Thailand. This edible colocasia has green, heart-shaped leaves with lighter undersides. Can I grow a Colocasia pink sapphire outdoors? The pink sapphire can be grown outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11, where it enjoys warm temperatures and high humidity. However, it's not very cold tolerant. If you live in a cooler climate, it's best to enjoy this beauty as a stunning houseplant. How do I care for my Colocasia pink sapphire indoors? Here are some key tips for keeping your pink sapphire thriving indoors. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. This plant appreciates high humidity. Misting regularly or using a pebble tray can help create a more humid environment. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can work well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your pink sapphire once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Is the Colocasia pink sapphire toxic? Yes, the Colocasia pink sapphire, like all colocasias, is toxic to both humans and animals if ingested. The calcium oxalate crystals in the leaves can cause irritation, vomiting, and swelling. Keep this in mind if you have pets or small children in your household. How do I propagate my Colocasia pink sapphire? Propagating your pink sapphire is a rewarding way to expand your collection. You can achieve this by division. Carefully divide the main plant when it becomes overcrowded in the spring. Ensure each division has healthy roots and foliage. Corm offsets. New corms, bulb-like structures, may form around the base of the mother plant. You can separate these corms and pot them individually. Where can I buy a Colocasia pink sapphire? The pink sapphire is gaining popularity, so you might find it at your local nursery or garden center. Online retailers specializing in houseplants are another great option. Final thoughts on the Colocasia pink sapphire. The Colocasia pink sapphire is a captivating houseplant that brings a touch of the tropics indoors. With its stunning tricolored foliage and moderate size, it's a perfect addition to brighten up any space. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy the beauty of this unique Colocasia variety for years to come.